Okay, I'm gonna go mow. We didn't get up. This is, what time is it, Lise? It's 5:30. So we've been nearly to Branson to get a mower today. 2-hour drive for us, one way. So 4 hours of driving. We got it, came back home, looked it over, and decided we're gonna order some belts and oil filter and air filter and stuff for it. So it's just sitting at home. But we need to mow, so we came up here to mow. We not going to get to hang any sheetrock, man. I hate that.
Yeah, but we'll show them the little trip to get the mower.
Yeah, we'll give you a view of that trip.
Yeah, we'll show you the trip.
Had some good views along the way. I don't know if the camera did any of them any justice, but it's kind of a nice drive through there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the mower was something we had been looking for a while. So
yeah, for a few months, so we can have one at either place instead of hauling stuff back and forth.
Yeah.
So we got that now. We looked it over. They told us what it was, and they was right on track. I mean, it's better than we thought it would be after they told us what was wrong with it. So, but we're going to get some parts and fix it up and be ready to mow at 2 different places that way.
Yeah,
without hauling stuff.
It'd be nice to have. So
I'm gonna go mow here now.
We're gonna let you come along with us and see our mowing expedition.
Yeah.
So
That's all we've done today is thank Mower.
yeah. So thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks. Bump it forward.
Joe's new ride.
Yeah.
It says my ride on the back of it.
Yeah. It's your ride.
It's my ride. One of our rides.
Might just do that. And then I have to strap it in the front too. Well, we've been looking for a mower for a while, and an old friend I hadn't seen in 10 years popped this up on Facebook. So we just bought it. I think we got a really good deal.
Yeah.
Gotta go get more straps.
Looks like a good one.
Yep.
Here's this guy. We've been on an adventure today, haven't we?
Yes, 4 hours of driving.
Yee. Yikes. For what?
Lawnmower. Toro. A Toro.
You sound so
Toro.
manly.
Toro.
Toto?
Toro. Toro.
Okay. We'll show you in a little bit. Right?
Right.
We want to see what we have.
Toro. We have a Toro.
How long have we been searching for a lawnmower?
Several months. We have.
Beginning of summer for sure.
Yeah.
Spring, early spring.
Yeah.
We start looking.
Yeah.
People start putting them on Marketplace.
Uh-huh.
Finally found one, and it wasn't even on Marketplace.
No. Nope. A friend just listed that had a Toro mower they wanted to get rid of. Didn't even list any details about it. Just said what they wanted. And it was a Toro.
You had to ask her all kinds of questions, didn't you, to find out?
Yeah, I asked her what size it was, pretty much. She told me how old it was and what size it was.
And we bought it. Are you happy about your purchase?
I'm real happy about it so far.
Good.
I think we got a good deal. It's really a pretty sunset through there.
Yeah, it is. Really pretty.
Gonna have to find the switch probably. There's a trick to it. It's got a 12-volt plug too, like a charger.
Huh. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah, I think that'll be a lot smoother. Now, here's the tire that's
Oh, yeah. New to us?
new to us, yes. I think it'll be a good mower. There's a gauge down there, fuel gauge. Huh. Well, it's got a problem here. This is not, there's a switch that it has to work to start. There's a micro switch somewhere. I've got to find it. Oh, it has to be right there. There's where the wires are. So we'll get that figured out. And it has a pedal where you can push the blade down a little easier that way. 300 hours. This ride can be adjusted smoother or harder. I didn't get a lot of feel of it over there, but I could tell that you was.
But the blades didn't turn on.
They did.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know. They said it needed a belt. It might just be because it's getting wore. I don't see it is getting wore, but let's see what the blades look like. Let me just check on this, don't I?
Yeah.
Not too bad. They don't look bad at all.
Good.
So let me see if I can get some air in that. Check the oil in it. It is a little low. Of course, I just had it running. 29th January, date of manufacture, January 2019. So 6 years old, 5 or 6.
Yeah.
She said 5 or 6. So of course it could have sat somewhere a year.
Right.
That's a good thing about buying something from somebody you know and trust. They told me exactly what was wrong with it. And actually my perception of it is better than their description.
Right. Yes.
Which is nice. As soon as I seen it there and it was running and stuff, told me it had to have a belt and a tire. Well, the belts are probably due, but they're also working. The tire is flat. It might air up. I don't know. We'll check that here in a minute. But you just don't know. I went and looked at a mower last week that a guy supposedly had from new, but it had 2 different size tires on the back. I noticed when I pulled in, the tires were like this. And I went ahead and got out and visited with the gentleman for a while and decided I didn't really want the mower, but I did go ahead and look it over. And it was broke inside here, and so this whole trans gear over here, whatever you want to call it, was leaning. I could grab this wheel and pull it and it would tip back up inside there. It was broke, and he just put a different size wheel on it and tire, or different size tire that stood taller, and readjusted the deck a little. It was cutting level, but it was fixing to have some major problems. And of course he said he'd never done anything to it since he bought it, but somebody had done a lot to it just to get by. So anyhow, it's nice to talk to somebody you know and a little bit and feel like you can trust, and you go and it's exactly what they say. It's
even better than what they say.
Better than what they said. They didn't overrepresent it whatsoever. They underrepresented it, actually. And they priced it very, very good price on it. I can fix what I need to on it and pay for it, and probably even have my time paid and everything and still be in good shape. So,
Right.
so that's good.
Yeah.
See what we can do with that tire.
Okay.
If we have to buy a tire, we just have to buy one.
Okay.